This cable was $130. This is the mCable Cinema Edition that claims to improve picture quality. Yeah, it didn't do that. So here it is. One side of the cable says source. This is what plugs into your Xbox or DVD player, etc. And this side is labeled TV. Hooked to the TV side of the HDMI cable is a USB cable as well, and this is what powers it. So inside of this, there's a chip that supposedly does some type of processing and image enhancement. I bought this HDMI cable with very low expectations, thank goodness, because it didn't really do anything. It says works with all HDMI compatible devices. It says Amazon Fire, Apple TV, Roku, TiVo, Blu-ray player, DVD player, set-top box, streaming device. Yeah, I tested it on pretty much all of these, and I could not see any difference in image quality. This is the Cinema Edition mCable. Again, it was $130. Let's see what the back of the box says. It says contextual video algorithm. Integrated and patented video processor that analyzes and improves the quality of every pixel. HDMI 1.4 processor. 18K gold-plated connector. And the transfer rate is 27 gigabytes per second. Actually, that's really impressive. Yeah, didn't really do anything. I watched cable sport. I watched a full basketball game on it, an A/B test comparing it to a cheap cable. Yeah, no, this was a waste of $130. If you see this in a bargain bin for 10 bucks, I still wouldn't buy it. I do not recommend it. It is a piece of crap. You want to get notified when there's a price drop, firmware update, or anything related to TVs? Subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you actually get the notifications, and we'll see you in the next video. I'm Joey. Thanks for watching. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. I'll see you in the comments. Leave a comment below. Let's talk about it. Oh, and if you didn't know, we're just a bunch of gearheads around here. If you want to join the family, hit that subscribe button. Jump into the comments, because it's a lively conversation around here. Let me tell you.